Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this suction tube for your Kärcher series. Now it doesn't have to be a Kärcher suction tube, it can be any type. So first of all we're starting off with distilled water or filtered rainwater. We put our filter and our tube into our, well, it could be bucket, and this is basically a container. Right, we put the connector onto the Kärcher, we put our gun on, turn it on, and we need to prime it. And you keep priming. This does take some time, by the way. Start off with our snow foam, connect that in. Now this will take a few minutes just to get going, but oh, there we go. Now that is really good for a K7. Now I don't know what it's like on any other Kärcher range, but on a K7 it's really good. Now we'll connect our lance. And now we'll start spraying off the snow foam. I've already pre-snow foamed the car, by the way. And you can see the amount of pressure this Kärcher has actually got. Look, that snow foam is just flying straight off. I'm really pleased with the suction tube. It really works well. This suction tube I've got is actually a works suction tube. You can use any of them. Now I noticed the price of the Kärcher version, which is up around about 24 quid, and I think at normal price it's around about 30 quid. But the works one you can pick up really reasonable as well. But you can get a suction tube for around about 12 quid. But it'll be ample enough to do the job. And anyway, who doesn't mind a bit of Chinese stuff? If it's cheap enough, it does the job, doesn't it? For the price of the Kärcher stuff, you can get 2 Chinese models and a suction tube as well. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!